Hey, freaking time you got here. Well, I'm sorry you didn't give us a designated time to be here or anything.
And HUD can't drive.
Are you guys trying to blame this all on me now?
Okay, look, the important thing is...
Oh. Well,
What's that for?
yeah, seriously.
Our way in. Our way in?
Yeah. It's a step ladder,
the front door. Yeah, but it's like a 30-story building.
I really don't think a step ladder is going to help unless you have, superhuman powers to extend that or something.
Well, actually...
Are you Magneto?
I used to do parkour, so...
Oh, me too.
So, maybe this might work.
Well,
You want to try? Let's set it up. Sorry.
Set it up. Alright.
That should work. I think it's pretty sturdy as far as step ladders go. Just don't know what you're planning on doing. There's nothing up there. It's literally just a flat surface.
Alright, here I go. Okay. Hold on. Sorry. I got this. I can do it.
Ready for that.
Okay.
You want me to hold it for you?
No.
Alright.
Hawkeye. No. Okay, alright.
Come on!
Alright. It's up there, okay?
It is a flat wall! There is nothing for you to grab onto up there!
A flat wall? You want me to jump up?
Whatever, just do your parkour nonsense.
20 years
20 years?
since...
Since you jumped up that one hill.
Wait.
Shit!
Oh, God! Alright, well,
That didn't work.
that's not...
Still a bit rusty.
Yeah, that's...
Guys.
Just do your parkour.
No.
Turn around, Hud.
Like I said, easier way into the building.
Come on, Hawk.
I told you, there's always an easier way in. But nobody listens to HUD. He's just a tech guy.
Johnny, is that your coffee?
No.
No?
It's a
Kinda.
I wouldn't do it. Alright. Okay, where's that?
Hawkeye, we are robbing the place.
Good point.
Alright, so I'm gonna go set up the GPS.
Pretty good.
It'll seek out where the hell what are we in here for exactly?
The cash box.
Right,
remember?
right.
HUD.
Hey, owns this place. He's super rich, dude.
Listen, Bulge. Why are you always...
Bulk!
Setting up the GPS because,
Yeah,
somebody's
you're right.
got to do some actual work around here.
Alright, let's see what you got.
Amateurs. Alright, so I got the layout of the place. I got the blueprints from the operator. He should know. In sleep mode, hold on.
Dude, I think your battery's dead.
God damn it.
Way to come prepared.
Yeah, really.
I did come prepared, because, I brought the charger cord. So,
All you had to do was go to the briefing.
all I had to do. It was all I had to do. Yeah, shut up, Bulge. Bulk!
Bulk. It's a smaller word.
Okay, the cord doesn't reach the laptop. Hold on.
Now the charger doesn't do much good, does it? Wow, you can make as much freaking noise as you want. God dang.
It's an empty building, so, whatever.
You know, we are robbing.
Backwards, Hickville, Pennsylvania.
Just find the cash box.
Alright, so I got the blueprints all set up here. Oh crap, what just happened? It's right there.
So, upstairs.
Yeah, right there. Okay, so we've obviously got to find a way to get up there.
Yeah, you're right. It's not too high, so I guess we could parkour it.
Oh, yeah, let's see your amazing parkour skills in action again.
Parkour?
Great English.
Yeah, really.
The tech guy.
It's parkour.
Yes, if I were an English teacher, I'd be better at it. But I would kind of suspect the master burglars wouldn't be so anal about the way someone pronounces their freaking words.
He can't pronounce his name. Bulk.
Thank you, Johnny.
Yes.
Thank you.
His name's Johnny.
Yes,
Your name's Johnny.
It's Johnny. The problem with that?
Really good code name.
Well, you know what? I'm the leader of this group, so I command you to shut up.
We're a team here, guys. Just let's get this
Okay,
and get out.
go look at something.
Go find out where the bathrooms are.
Okay, first off,
He's
you guys
good. He's
gonna-
good. I mean,
Found one.
found one.
Listen, if you're gonna be
Any
doing
more
your
wise
stuff-
guy?
Let me talk, Hawkeye. Sorry. If you're gonna be doing your parkour, you might want to first off take my gun, out of your back pocket, so maybe you don't shoot your ass off.
You know
when
what?
you climb up the
I don't
wall.
want you to have the gun because you are a friggin' spaz. Alright, let's just parkour this. Come on.
Why don't you go check your Facebook?
You go first.
Gladly. It's a lot more fun than hanging out with you, Bulge.
Bulk.
You got it. You got it, man. You got it. Come on. Come on. You got it.
No, we were so close.
Hawkeye, you get this kind of stuff?
I think this one's on you, Johnny.
Alright, you give it a shot. Got it, Johnny. Come on. Come on.
Alright. Got it. Okay, where's the cash box at?
It's up there.
Alright, hold on, Johnny.
Maybe we should all get up there first. Let's all get up there, then we can all do a
I'll it
recon.
for you guys, okay? Come on, guys.
Oh, Johnny!
Way to go, hide wrong door.
Yeah. Dude, I was just in here. There's nobody in here.
Johnny, they have a ping pong table. Oh my gosh.
We have to play.
But,
Are you guys serious right now?
Yeah, we're playing ping pong, dude.
You do realize we're here. Good, Hawkeye. Do something easy. Guys. Guys!
What? You're messing up.
Hut! Chill.
So let's play a little bit of ping pong. No one's here anyway.
Hi!
What the heck?
We are here for a reason. And since our leader...
Put a hole in the ceiling?
Yeah.
Now
Since
there's
our
no
leader...
one here.
Now
There's
listen!
no one.
Hey! If our leader isn't gonna lead us, I will. Look for the cash box so we can get out of here and never see each other again. Please!
Give me this.
Guys, someone's coming. Oh, God!
You down there, not there, it's back.
Hey, I can't blend him. I'm a freaking chameleon.
What's that? That's not gonna work out. Guys, we have to
Move!
Get out of here. Find your own.
We gotta do something.
Okay, I'll just...
No.
I'm out of ammo!
Okay, I know. We'll hide in.
This is not good. Robbers! You're probably wondering who I am. Bulge.
It's bulk.
It's okay.
Jacob. Dud. Hawkeye. I'm the man who sent you on this operation. The operator. You may be wondering why I am here. Well, the organization has sent me to take you out, as you would put it. You had one job on this mission. It was to find the cash box. And to find the cash box, you needed to use teamwork. The entire purpose of this mission revolved around teamwork. Yeah, I've never seen anyone fail miserably at it like I have seen you. So I must kill you all.
Hawkeye!
Holy cow.
That was freaking awesome!
You saved our lives, Hawkeye!
I know! My heart's beating so fast, I think I'm having a panic attack. That's so cool.
Hut! Hut!
Guys, I just shot a guy.
Yeah, you killed the operator.
I did what I had to do. But technically he came to kill us anyway, so we were screwed from the start. I mean, this is cool!
So we should still take the money though, right?
Yeah, what's gonna happen to me now? What's gonna happen to all of us? Who cares?
We're gonna have the money. Let's all get out of here. We'll just go somewhere.
That's a good idea.
Dave and
No,
Buster's.
I
Dave
am
and Buster's.
sorry. I was such a dick to you guys.
I was thinking more of leaving the country. I was thinking Dave and Buster's, dude.
Dave and Buster's first.
Okay, Dave and Buster's, then we'll go to wherever we're freaking going.
Get some shawarma.
Hi.
Yes.
I'm sorry I was such an ass. I was just stressed.
Hi. No, it's
okay,
It
it's
was
fine.
the job.
It was the job. It was
It was
stressful.
the
It was
job.
very stressful.
Can we be best friends?
Heck yeah.
Can you get like those heart necklaces?
Let's do it.
I want the middle piece though, because
Four
there's 4 of
pieces.
us.
Yeah.
High five. Let's go, guys. Come on, get the money. I cannot get his face out of my mind. That was insane. My hand is shaking.
Your handshake, I shot the guy.
Yeah, but I thought we were gonna die or something.
The operator was going to kill us.
And you killed him.
I had to.
It was so cool.
I had
Wait.
to take it.
I didn't want to stop.
Didn't you have a question?
Oh yeah, where did you get that gun?
Let's just say I come to
Still didn't answer my question.
Whatever, we're alive, we're young, and we're going to a place to eat. Where are we going?
Demi and
Dave and Buster's.
Dave and Buster's.
Yeah,
I've never been there before.
Lots of freaking games. They have Guitar Hero there.
Let's just go.
Wait, get the coffee.
Coffee, coffee, coffee!
You guys realize he messed up all of our